Here we're going to have a quick look at the Weebly App Store. So we're going to explain what the App Store is and what might be available to you. So like many online platforms these days, there are apps available for those of you using the platform, whether it be Facebook or anything else. You can incorporate those apps into the website. Many of them are free, and then you have in-app purchases if you want to get a better level of sophistication from them. In this instance with Weebly, Weebly do several good apps which obviously work well within their website, which you can add in addition to what you've already got, and those are largely free. And then on top of that, there are third-party providers who also provide apps, some good, some not so good, some are free up until a period, and some are premium. So when you look at your settings, you'll see you've got My Apps. So when you look at My Apps, any apps that you've already downloaded onto your website will be there. You can go to the App Center, where you'll see lots of other apps, and the Made by Weebly there in green on the right are all the apps that Weebly provide. But there are also third-party apps, and you can search either by type or topic, so marketing or email or social or whatever. You've got highest rated, new apps and free apps. Like any app store, they have a review section, so you can have a look at what other people think of them, and like all of these sections, some are considered to be good apps and some not so good. They can be anything as simple as a price plan or a color block, right the way through to quite sophisticated member-only website management systems. So just bear in mind that all of this is there. Have a browse through it. The popular ones are worth looking at because, of course, they have been found to be useful. This is a paid members app, which is a premium app, as you can see, up to $30 a month. So you'd expect quite a lot for something that offers that. But they normally give you a free demo or a live demo that you can look at, so you can see how it works and what you should expect to get for your money. You have a members option in Weebly, of course, a members only function. So one would expect that it would work with that and just add more functionality to the Weebly website. Otherwise, have a look through the App Store, see what's available. The Google Ads app is obviously already in Weebly, but you can have a look through the others and see what might suit. And you might find something there that just helps your Weebly site to perform that little bit better for you.